guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special treat. We are going to be making South African traditional milk tart, or milk pie if you will. This is a traditional dessert made in South Africa, and I thought I'd just show you how to make it. It is a delicious creamy dessert and it is very popular in South Africa. You can buy it normally in every store, every shop, every supermarket, but store-bought is never as good as homemade milk tart. So I thought I'd show you a nice and quick and easy recipe how to make traditional South African milk tart. And I'm wearing my South African rugby shirt. This is the South African Springboks, the South African team, just for support while I make the milk tart. So let's get started in making traditional South African milk tart. First, we're going to start off with the base of our milk tart. I've got a packet of tea biscuits here that I'm going to throw into the food processor. You can use any biscuits that you like, tennis biscuit, tea biscuit, anything you like for your base. So we're just going to start with that first. Grams butter, which I'm going to pop into the microwave to melt it, and we're going to throw that into the biscuits. I've just popped the butter into the microwave for about 35 seconds and melted, so I'm just going to add this into the crushed biscuit base. Pie dish and prepare your milk tart base. Now this is ready, we're going to set this aside and pop it into the fridge and move on to the next step. Off with pouring a can of sweetened condensed milk into a pot. Using the same can, just add in 2.5 cups of milk into your pot. Mixture to a simmer, just continuously stirring. You're going to need 135 ml of corn flour that you're going to prepare the paste that you're going to throw into your mixture. So just throw in 135 ml of corn flour. And you're going to add in 1/2 cup of cold milk to make a paste. Just mix your paste and add it into the boiling milk tart mixture on the stove. Now we're going to add in our corn flour and milk mixture into the pot. And stir continuously until the mixture thickens. nicely and we're going to remove this off the heat for a minute. Now you're going to prepare 2 eggs into a bowl. You're just going to crack them into your bowl. Spoonfuls of the thickened milk tart mixture to slowly raise the temperature of the egg mixture until it's nice and warm. We're going to take a beaten egg mixture and add spoonfuls of the mixture into the egg to slowly raise the temperature before adding the egg mixture into our milk tart mixture. Just to raise the heat on the egg mixture. Now I'm going to add in my egg mixture into my thickened custard milk tart mixture before returning it to the heat. And just give it a nice good stir. Onto the heat and continuously stir. Now you're just going to cook this in for a few minutes and continuously stir, keep stirring. You want your mixture nice and thick like this, like a nice thick custard. This makes a delicious, delicious pie. We call it milk tart. Milk tart is very popular in South Africa. It's like a traditional dessert found in most supermarkets and nearly everywhere. But homemade is best, guys. Give it a try, it's really delicious. The mixture is nice and thick. I've gone ahead and melted 30 ml of melted butter, which is 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to add in 5 ml of vanilla essence into the butter mixture. I'm going to pour this mixture into your milk tart mixture on the stove. Now I'm going to add in my melted butter and vanilla essence mixture into my pot, taking it off the heat. Add a little bit more extra vanilla essence, guys. You don't have to do that. The recipe calls for 5 ml, but I added 10 ml because I think extra vanilla would give it a great flavor. And just mix that in. Continuously mix it. Return it back to the heat. I've just returned it back to the heat and continuously mixing. Our mixture is nice and thick and ready to go into the pie dish. I'm going to add this in while it's nice and hot into your pie dish. Nice and thick. Now we're going to pour in our mixture while it's nice and hot. It's quite thick, guys. And now you just spread your mixture evenly. Last but not least, you're going to dust your milk tart over with some cinnamon. Make little shapes if you like. Just have fun with this, guys. You can add as much cinnamon as you like. I've added quite a bit because I really like cinnamon.